Hi, it's the Neurosurgeons. We're in a different area of the hospital today. We're in the Queen Elizabeth, and we're going to show you how we feed all the patients and show you some of the catering team. I'm Mohammed. Sorry. This is Mohammed. That's Mohammed.
This is Abby.
And this is Susie, our guest for the video, who's very kindly going to show us how we get the food prepared.
This is the Neurosurgeons channel.
The only place where you find two neurosurgeons telling you everything about the brain and spine.
Okay, I'll take a sausage for the main choice, and I will take mashed potatoes, and I don't like the beans, so I'll take diced carrot. And then for the dessert, I will take, what do you think? I mean, probably cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
Yeah, is that the best one? Yeah, that sounds
and
good.
then just confirm, click on OK, and that gets sent down to the basement. And they set all the orders up.
Good.
So that's the breakfast trolley. That's the plug it in, and that's the hot water for your teas, coffees. They're 84 degrees and over. Put our cereals in here. All the cereals. We have like porridge, cornflakes, Rice Krispies, Weetabix, toast in here. Toast, and we have like rolls and jams, marmalades. Just all our stuff for breakfast. Cups goes in there, and with bowls, like cups. That would be like your bowls and side plates. We would put like yogurts and like juices, but with beakers for people that need a wee bit of hand, rather than having like a normal cup. Beakers that we can put the menus that we follow for tonight for the ward, and that tells us what we put on for the ward for the coronary care. Read the menu and just see what spoons you need. In here, this protector, there's two protectors in here. So that'll be for the ward, and that would be where, and it would be lunch, and that's where we would temp our stuff.
I'm here with Trisha. She's the catering assistant manager, and actually this video is possible because she helped us organise it and come into the QE, so we have to say a big thanks to her. And I just wanted to ask you, you were saying earlier how you organise the day and cater, so how many people do you cater for?
It's around between 15 and 1600 patients a day.
Okay.
It just depends on how busy it is, and we also, if a A&E and stuff like that's really busy and the patients are in over a certain amount of hours, we'll supply hot meals in there as well, so it just varies in the day and how busy the hospital is.
Okay.
It's approximately 15 to 1600.
1600, and that's twice a day, is it?
3 times a
3
day,
times a day.
breakfast, lunch and supper.
So that's a lot of meals. And how long have you been doing your job for, Trisha?
I've been doing it for 21 years.
21 years? Wow, okay. And many more years left till retirement?
Quite a few.
But do you enjoy what you do?
I do, yeah. It's a good job. Plenty of challenges along the way as well, so I know it is good. I do enjoy it.
What do you find difficult about managing the catering service?
Staffing, sicknesses, it just depends. Every day's a different day.
Yeah.
And you've always got different challenges, but we get through, we get the stuff done, we get the patients fed. That's what we're here for at the end of the day. So.